Hey everybody, welcome to Orlando, welcome to IAAPA. Let me hear some noise. We are in the best industry in the world because we make fun for a living. Before we unveil this beautiful vehicle, I want to give a shout out to our team, Mr. Alberto Ferri, our roller coaster director division. He could not be here today because he is making Top Thrill 2 happen. I also want to say a big thank you to the 450 team members around the world that are Zamperla employees. We came together for this project like no other. And to talk more about that, I want to introduce our president and CEO, Antonio Zamperla.
Hello, everyone. Wow, what a nice crowd. What are you here for? Something like an unveiling? Well, you are in the right spot. So let me just give you a few words of who we are and what we are doing, and how Top Thrill 2 that is a project that came long time in the making, because it comes from 1956, the year in which my grandfather founded the company, and passes over the more than 9,000 attractions that we delivered worldwide in 57 years, thanks to our wonderful team and the vision and dedication of my father, Alberto Zamperla. And I am so proud to be here today because this is the result of years of research, innovation, and investment. This project is rooted in our history and showcases our future. No other company has invested in a roller coaster like Zamperla. We have one of the attraction industry's largest roller coaster engineering teams. 12 people have joined the roller coaster team from 2016 to the present, to a total of 30 people dedicated only to roller coaster. We have the in-house capability to design everything, from our famous family coaster to the world record-breaking triple launch coaster in the world. And during these years, we have opened more than 400 coasters, including family, kiddie, and extreme, with dozens of different theming. No other company has our experience in designing, manufacturing, installing, and also operating any kind of rides. And because of this, we define ourselves as one-stop shop, because we take responsibility for every project from start to finish, and have been doing it for 57 years. We also opened our own fabrication facility for manufacturing columns and tracks. Keeping the entire process in-house allows us to monitor quality assurance better. And our team is working hard to create some of the industry's smoothest coasters by combining a detailed quality assurance program that features checks by both people and computers. In every market segment we have entered, kiddie, family, and thrill rides, we have excelled because of our commitment to quality and innovation. I know our roller coaster business unit will see the same success, and Top Thrill 2, a Lightning LSM coaster, is an excellent example of the excitement to come. And now let me call here Michael Manny, Vice President of Maintenance and Construction at Cedar Point, and Tony Clark, Director of Communication at Cedar Point.
Thank you, Antonio. Good morning, everyone. How about you guys way over there? How are you? That wasn't loud enough. How are you? Okay, good. Welcome to booth affectionately called 2024. It's booth number 2024. Right? All of us at Cedar Point are super excited to debut today's train here on the trade show floor. We've been working on this project for a very, very long time. And as you know, Cedar Point is known for roller coaster innovation, trying things no other park in the world have done, and to reimagine a Stratocoaster in the way that we've done with Zamperla, their imaginative team figuring out ways to make this ride unique, different, and better than before. It's been a wonderful journey, and we are super excited to take this cover off today as one of the first steps in debuting the ride to the public in 2024. Just real quick, in true Tony fashion, I need a large photo of all of you. If you could just look at the camera, thank you so much. We'll be tweeting that. Nobody knows what this looks like from up here.
One take, Tony.
One take, Tony. There you go. Done. So what is Top Thrill 2? It is the world's tallest and fastest triple launch Stratocoaster. The first launch, 74 miles per hour forward. A reverse launch at 101 miles per hour, then up a vertical 420-foot tall spike tower. It's going to be amazing, and then you come back down and launch to 120 miles per hour, going up and over the existing 420-foot tall top hat before you hit the brakes and hit the station as well. It's going to be an amazing ride experience. All of us at Cedar Point are excited to ride it. I know the team at Zamperla is excited to see it run, and they're excited to ride. We get to ride it first, just so you know. I know we don't know that. But building this ride has been an amazing challenge and a new challenge for Cedar Point, which is why we brought my compadre here, Mr. Mike Maney. He's our VP of Maintenance Construction. He's in charge of making sure the ride gets built, tested, run, and prepared for most of you to come and ride and enjoy the ride in 2024. So, Mike?
Well, no pun intended, but it's been a heck of a ride so far.
It has.
To get to this point. So, yeah, working with Zamperla has been absolutely unbelievable. The collaborative efforts by their team have been second to none. Their team in Italy, their team on the ground that are currently building Spike Tower as we sit here and speak today at Cedar Point. The technology, the innovation, the willingness to put forth the effort has been really unbelievable. You know, the logistics behind building this ride in the middle of Cedar Point during our operating season, the challenges with, you know, having limited site access. We've been building this project up for, you know, well over a year now. It's been pretty amazing and unbelievable. The teams, you know, this is by far, and I told Antonio this last night, this has by far been one of the most collaborative projects I've ever worked on. From Zamperla's efforts to our industry professionals, Adena Corporation, who's been completing the installation of the Spike Tower, Bainham Solutions, who is literally transforming the Spike Tower or transforming the existing tower in front of our eyes, to our local vendors, Great Lakes Construction, as well as All Phase Power, who's doing all the LSM launch equipment. It's been a really amazing project. More to come on that. There's big things coming in the near future, but the most important thing
Why'd you say
is what
that?
we got under this cover
You
here
just
today.
teased something. Great. Now I got a cover for it. Thank you, Mike. It's okay. You'll see Mike in various videos on our YouTube channel as we do the construction on Top Thrill 2. So make sure you give us a follow on our YouTube channel, follow our social media, and you'll see Mike talking about the project here in the future. But really, I think all of us are here for one reason, right? It's to see me. That's what it... I'm just kidding. It's not. It's to see this. So you guys ready?
Ever.
Yes, never the thing. Are you guys ready to see it? All right. Start the countdown.
All right, we just want to share a few quick facts about this beautiful train. A lot of technology here, it's cutting edge. 3 things we want you to notice. First, the aluminum milled chassis. So actually most roller coasters have steel chassis. This is all billeted aluminum, one piece, no welds. It doesn't only make the train lighter, it has a lower cost of ownership over the life of the attraction. That's very important. Second thing you'll notice, it is beautiful. These lines were created with carbon fiber. We worked with one of the leading providers of carbon fiber to high-performance racing to create the body and nose and tail of this vehicle. Helps keep it light, helps keep it aerodynamic, and helps keep it beautiful. Third, those massive wheels, 530 millimeters, some of the largest wheels ever used on a roller coaster. Why do we need wheels that big? It's because we have a lot of energy. 3 launches in rapid succession create a lot of heat that needs to be dissipated. And so these huge wheels with special linings created by our partner Euromed make sure that even in the variable temperatures you find at Cedar Point throughout the year, Top Thrill 2 is going to run consistently and wonderfully. So we want to invite you guys to take a look at the train, check out Zamperla, and to start, I want to invite Tony and Scott to do the first interview in the Top Thrill 2 train. Thank you so much for coming. Have a wonderful show. Let's go IAAPA. Viva Zamperla!